Hey John, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking at your website, I love your logo and the colors that you have going on. Those go super well together. This call to action, any click to calls or forms to fill out are really good to help with your conversion rates. So that is awesome. One thing that I would recommend for your homepage would be to have some more content on there. Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. So they're looking through all of this content that you have on here, seeing what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for what's called keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Kansas City foundation repair. And whenever your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile with more citations. And what a citation is, it's your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And you also want to make sure that you maintain a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And it's important to be on this first page because 90% of people stay on the first page. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. So looking through KC Pier Foundation Experts, they also have some good call to actions here, which is going to help their conversion rates. And just quickly scrolling through here, it'd be really easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. Starting off with the URL of the KC Pier, we're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And they have 34 and 4. And what's making up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 1.91 thousand backlinks coming from 419 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality ones that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring them down. So you do want to be intentional there. And they have 1.3 thousand keywords on their website. So let's go on over to your website here and take a look. So I have your URL plugged in here, and you all have 12 and 0.5. And what's making up your ratings here are the 58 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 10 referring domains. And you have 86 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do here is boost these numbers here. You would do that by getting high quality backlinks. And then you would want to make sure that all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you are on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You can go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your website as well. Because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some keywords that they're ranking for. Foundation repair Kansas City. 700 people are searching for this every single month. Kansas City foundation repair, 100, 200, 80, 150, 200, 150. And you can see here that this list just keeps going. And then there are quite a few more pages of these keywords. And so in order for you to get more traffic and more customers for yourself, you would want that Google Business Profile ranking, so have more citations there. And then with your website, to get it ranking, you would want high quality content to support those buyer intent keywords. And then you would want high quality backlinks so that you're boosting that trustworthiness and that authority rating. And then that way you are showing up above your competitors. And so I hope that this video brought value to you, and I would love to hear from you just to find out if it was helpful or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.